Why or someone really like a belated dinner?
Se o ka ba selo se se botse wa tseba. Tonight?
Yeah, the sooner the better, girl.
Alright, no, ke tla check availability ya gage.
Okay, well, kitla kwa ka wena ge. Oh, I'm so excited. This is going to be so nice. Shout. So ke belated birthday dinner ya kwaito. O nagana?
It's nice.
O tle le date or mokgotsi or something. Gore o ska ba like the third wheel, okay?
Le nna ke memilwe.
How? Of course, memile. I mean, o housemate yaka and le gona mokgotsi wa kwaito, right?
That's very sweet of you. E fela nna le hona mantsibana tla ba ke le busy. Nka se kgona go fitla. But you guys must enjoy.